Welcome to Seminyak, Bali, Indonesia. I'm back to Bali and I'm back to my regular daily videos from Bali and surrounds, but mostly from Bali right now. And this is Seminyak, basically, area of 66 beach. As always, gonna show you around what's cracking. It's around 5 p.m. sunset time. And yeah, I'll show you, let's see. So this is one of the main gates here at the front of Anantara Hotel, which is this one. I think somebody last time planned to stay here, so this is one-way road. At least for the cars. By motorbikes you can go here and cross through the Tres Gado, which is there. And nothing really has changed, I'm gonna tell you. I'm gonna come back to the beach, but this is the Anantara Hotel, just in case, if you would like to stay here. And just behind Tres Gado is also very popular place, always busy, no difference today. So it's cool, and also you can wash your feet here. So let's get stroll around. This is where I started, Tres Gado by the beach. Slightly quieter today, it's Halloween season. So even in Bali there are some decorations, some recent promos from Tres Gado. And let's go to the gate of the Legian Padma. So that's the basically whole entire Seminyak 66 area today. There are some local warungs here and some commercial warungs, obviously. So that's the regular vibe in Seminyak and the beach 66. Surf lessons, surfboards, bar stars from the aunties who try to sell you some sarungs. Some bars, there's the loud big speaker. More surfer boards and local people trying to sell something. Local boys, basically everywhere loud music. Sisha here. Bars, of course this is so many smaller ones. That soon will be the most popular one, which calls La Plancha. But meanwhile, in the meantime, they are local boys having their local stalls, and also other people who open the big commercial restaurants like La Plancha. Like for example, La Plancha is in the background there, but on the front of it already somebody opened the Bali Juice Park, which is basically the copy. Pretty the same. And loud music everywhere. Same concept. Basically everything looks very similar here. Everywhere will be loud music. Either way, this is La Plancha, legendary place. Pretty nice actually. Now they make some refurbishments and a lot of umbrellas and a lot of sittings around. So what I gonna tell you, that's actually changed a lot inside, DJ, and the sittings like this one, so loud, very tropical vibes for sure. When you walk on the promenade, it's that loud as it's hard to make any kind of videos. That's the La Plancha. I gotta tell you, even La Plancha looks slightly quieter today. However, it's not sunset yet, it's sunset in 45 minutes, so maybe that's why. However, seems a little bit quiet, that's the difference. As overall feels a little bit quiet, even the beach looks a little bit quieter. That's for sure. That's what I realized. So that's the beach view situation. The biggest amount of the beanbags and the umbrellas, that's the La Plancha at the front. Okay, I will zoom it once for you like this one. And then you have a few empty gaps and few smaller establishments which usually are empty. And after that we have a 66 beach and the beach situation in general, like this one, pretty empty today. Actually, I'm gonna tell you, that's the thing. This is the little gap where like decorations and the hotel in the background. That's actually one of the bars, hotel bars. Overall, it's pretty quiet here. Sunset soon. It's not like usual my filming time, but feels a little bit quieter. Beach situation like this one. Gonna go, like I said, till the very end, actually. And you're able to stroll around, that's for sure. But I have to say, it's a little bit hot. Well, winter in Australia is finished, so the colder season is finished. Now it's very hot in general. More places, beanbags like this one. Well, I think it's just quieter, but is it really matter? It is quieter or not? Not sure. But in case if you are interested, I just wanted to show you. Overall, that's the vibe, and this is the 66 Seminyak Beach. 66 Luxury Correction Hotel. That's the name proper, 66 Beach Resort anyway. Like this one. This place always have some people, they have sunbeds surf lesson, more karma, no drama here. Somebody open like this one. Well, every single idea of the name is the idea. Sometimes good, sometimes not. And overall, yeah, a lot of empty bars though. Somebody said as they are, you know, like of course are increasing, prices are increasing, other internal problems on each country. So overall tourism in Bali may be a little bit lower, but also considering it's nearly November, is also beginning of the low season. Despite the weather is still beautiful, low season is low season. What I gonna tell you? All courtyard have here sunbeds. Actually, because courtyard is on the middle of the street, they don't have access to the beach. They have a fire dance show at night. Overall, some people of course are here. This is not like nobody, just not too many, and this is already the end of the beach actually. Here you go, the statue where is at the front. That's the basically end of Double Six Beach, beginning of Legian. But Legian Beach and Legian in general, I'm gonna leave it for another day of filming. Today let's focus on what's going on here. This restaurant is slightly busier, but also not full. Been to B9B actually, with this blue shark, like this one, cool. But overall, this is it. That's the Seminyak situation. Today there is the end of the beach, and I'm gonna go as always. Maybe some of you already predict where I'm gonna go, right? I usually do the same thing. This is the gate. That's the Kokon Beach Club and the public toilets here. So the toilets, showers, just you have to make a little fee obviously. Some people arrived here. That's the group of the people. And that's the Kokon Beach Club. Some taxi, motorbike drivers. The Kokon is there. Few people stay there. That's the hotel of Double Six. Yeah, overall that's the vibe. And this guy tried to park here, and the lady is letting him know, like you know, how to drive, something like that. And then there will be the Legian border. And it's like very hot in general. I brought myself the lighter t-shirt, brighter color, somebody suggests. Nothing really changed. I feel just hot the same, like wearing a black one. When it's hot, it's hot. Low season means three things. One thing is that it's gonna be quieter. Second thing, it's mean it's supposed to be more rainy, but it's not, at least not yet, which for some people is a good thing. And third thing, the worst thing is that it's gonna be the most hottest time in Bali so far. It's actually paradox, because when it's high season, it's actually the colder weather in Bali, which is still hot. And when it's low season, it's the hottest weather in Bali, which can be very painful and very hot. And humidity is extremely high, of 90%. At the same time, in Australia and on this side of the world is the summertime, and at the same time in Europe, North America, is the winter time, which is paradoxically that's the situation. Many people still will not run away, but leave the Europe, leave the US, leave the Canada, and will come to Asia because they don't like the winter there. Either way, I have to be careful with the temperature and the amount of walking during this season, especially after my travels. I need to have some rest more often. So guys, thanks so much for watching today. Tomorrow I'm gonna continue my journey of exploring streets and the beaches in Bali, more down south. So Legian, Kuta and other stuff, Sanur, are coming in upcoming days. I expect to see you tomorrow. See ya.